What to do if your Android device won't download or install apps? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you suddenly can't install apps on your Android device despite having enough storage, here's what to do. First, head to the settings, scroll down and navigate to apps. Select that option and tap on app management. Now tap search bar and type in Google Play Store. Open its App Info section and select Storage Users. Now tap Clear Cache. Come back and you need to do the same for Google Play services as well. Head towards the Storage Users and then tap on Clear Cache. This often solves the issues. If not, you can try adjusting the permissions. You can head towards the settings, go to Apps and select Google Play Store again. And now tap on permissions option and make sure you allow call logs and contacts. Other permissions should be enabled to accept location, which is optional. And by following these two methods, you can fix the issues and let the Android to install the apps again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.